Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a couple of products I ordered myself online. I ordered these on Amazon, just to be clear and transparent. I bought these myself because I need them. The reason why I needed them, because my other ones are crapping out, and I got some cheap ones and they're just falling apart. And I just want to show you some old ones and some new ones that I just received. So I got these items here. These are the old ones I've been using, and you can see they're just really thin wire. They're not really designed for, not a heavy gauge at all, and they're just kind of falling apart. So these are getting old, so I wanted to get some new ones, and also some banana clips for either a multimeter tester or something that have a power regulator. So sometimes you want to, attach things. So this is a much easier way of doing it. So I want to show you that real quick. But I want to show you, let's look at the quality real quick. I want to show you these here. This is you. The reason why I do this review is just to show you the quality and just to give you an idea of my opinion about the overall functionality and quality. You get 4 sets of these. Actually, I was taking them all apart. You get 4 sets of these in this kit. So there'll be a link and also in this video. So if you like this kind of products, I would also be links for both of these products and then down below in the description also. And they really work well, and I'm very happy with the quality. So that's number one. So a lot of times you see these online, you just see photos, you don't see a video, and I really want you to see the nice and pliable. They got good quality insulation on them, and they have a nice quality gator, a nice clip on the end of it. So it's nice quality. So not junk at all. Happy with these. We're definitely going to keep these. So I just want to make a quick review on that. So I'll put that to the side. Very, very happy with those. That's great. And here's another thing. These are like little banana clips. Now you can use these for a couple different things. If you have a multimeter tester, they just pop right in. You can see right there, right? So the idea behind that is if you don't want to hold a lead, like a lot of times you hold a lead, you're gonna want to test something, that's great. But if you want to like something constantly, connected to it, you want to pop these in here, and that way you can just put these little gator clips on. Again, these little snap clips. You can see here, these are really strong. These are industrial. So if you want to hold something and just connect it and then read something, and then if you're running a test, you can actually look at it instead of holding these leads. So that's the first reason why I got this. So that's for the multimeter. But the main reason why I got it was really for my power supply here, right here. I do a lot of testing all the time in products and testing products. So I find it a lot easier just to pop these in here, because these actually have the little holes for these. You can just pop these in here like that. Now you can access the power right here. So this is super easy, another easier way to just add, power to something instead of running wires and wrapping it around, because these also open up and you can run wires through here. But instead of doing that, I thought this would be an easier option. It also has a cigarette lighter, of course. It's just to pop these little banana clips in here. 1, 2, positive, negative. And then if you're working on something that's a 12 volt, boom, super easy to do. I think this is really a great idea. I love this. Again, high quality. This is a nice thick quality gauge wire. Really high quality clip on it. So if you want to hook it on something, it's going to stay. It's not going to come off. So I definitely highly recommend these. You got your power leads. Boom. Now you got your 12 volts in your hands. You can tap it to anything you want to. You can connect it, and it's going to stay. And it's going to work great. So that's what I have for you. I just wanted to show you those 2 things with 2 different options. The multiple purpose on these here. You can use them on the multimeter, or you can use them on a power regulator if you have something like this with the banana clip adapters right here, connections. You just pop right in. Super easy, and they stick beautifully. And that's what I have. All right, guys. Those are my 2 recommendations right here. These wires. These here. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, like, and share. It really helps me quite a bit. This is just a small video just to show you a little bit about the quality of these 2 kind of connections. I think they're great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.